So you are going to Universal and you either bought a movie, dinner and a movie ticket, or you're thinking about it. They're like $25 to $27. Well, I have gone and I'm going to tell you what you need to do. They are a very good deal. Now, first, what you're going to do is when you get either to guest services at your hotel or when you go to Universal and you go to where you would buy tickets, you will show them the app and tell them what you have purchased. From there, they will give you tickets. So you will have a ticket in your hand that's saying what it is good for. And they'll give you one for the movie and one for the dinner. Now you can go to several different restaurants. They're on the bottom of this app, which restaurants are available. They include Vivo Italian Kitchen, Bar Marley, Pat O'Brien's, the Toothsome Chocolate. See all the names right there? Well, we went to Jimmy Buffett's. Now, when we went to Jimmy Buffett's, we had a special dinner menu. They'll give you a menu that says these are like the 5 or 6 things you could eat. So expect not to eat anything on the menu. You will take the ticket you got at guest services and you will give it to them and they'll give you the special menu. Now, make a reservation just like you would at any other restaurant. Don't just think you're going to walk in because you got the ticket. Try to go on your app and make a reservation, or go in there and make a reservation if you are there. Now, when you get a ticket at guest services or at your hotel, it'll look something like this, and it'll say, Citywalk Meal and a Movie. Please present this to server before placing your order. So you'll give them that ticket. You'll still have another ticket for the movie. So what I did was I stopped in the movie theater and gave them that ticket to get my ticket for the movie before I even went to dinner, just to make sure I can get into the movie. And then I had a dinner ration at 6:45, so I went to dinner, or at 5:45 went to dinner and went to a 7:15 movie, and that was how I did it. Now here is the menu you would get if you're going, say, to Margaritaville, where we went, and that was the ticket for the dinner, and this was the menu, the different choices. You have like 5 or 6 different choices. So the choices are very good. And this is a very good deal because they were at least $19.99 each just for dinner. And you're getting the dinner and a movie. They're very easy to use and they're very easy. You just give them to them, you give you the menu and you choose. So it was a very good deal. Now we also had a drink, and you do not get a drink with the dinner menu. You get a non-alcoholic beverage. We had one alcoholic beverage and it was $13.75, and I don't know, it seemed like they added a little bit more because we ended up paying about $18. So I don't know if the tax and tip are included when you're getting the menu. So then we headed back to the movie theater. Now this is Cinemark. It's a big, big theater, and it's right in front when you go into Universal. So it's not something that you can miss. You can get your tickets after you eat, but I wanted to get mine ahead of time because I didn't have reservations, and I wanted to make sure I got to see the movie that I wanted to see. When you go in the theater, you can just present them the ticket. They know, they'll give you the ticket to the movie. There was no extra taxes or fees included. The theater is nice. It has all the things you would expect in a full-time theater. You don't get free popcorn, but you can buy a popcorn there. So that's always nice, and you get the drink. You would just go in, they'll give you a seat, you pick your seat, you go and watch the movie, and you're pretty much done. So that is what the movie and a dinner is like. Please remember to watch and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I hope that I gave you enough good information. Enjoy.